I am just up here with Miss Lilybugs, and we decided we're going to do a tutorial, and she is going to do her own eye tutorial.
Yes.
We'll do the after at the end. And I am going to do a tutorial for Bitten. This color is amazing. It's Makeup Geek again. It's called Bitten. And it's going to be a really, really easy tutorial. Super easy.
And this looks pretty good too.
And that's Peach Smoothie, and we're going to blend it with that.
Yeah, we're going to blend it with that.
Okay, and again, these are Makeup Geek products because I'm obsessed and I love Makeup Geek. So I will post links at the bottom of this post for you guys. So this is just for eyes. So
you down below, who does the best makeup?
Who does the best makeup?
Maybe it's going to be Mommy or maybe it's going to be me. Down below, guys.
You guys decide. Okay, so you go ahead and you do your eyes, and I'm going to talk and show them how I'm going to do mine, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I just take my fluffy little brush. It's just like a fluffy brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of Bitten. Like I said, you don't need a whole lot. You don't have to put a whole lot on there, and we're just kind of going to go all over.
Mommy, you're getting some on your eyebrows.
Am I?
I mean, you're almost getting out of it, but you're not.
Thank you. And this blends really, really well. And so you can make this like
you can make this
dramatic.
You can make this any way you want.
This is just like a really pretty cranberry color, and it's perfect for...
So I'm just going to mix in a little bit of some of this.
Okay. It's perfect for holiday parties. It's perfect for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and it's really, really easy. It's super easy. I'm not going to do like 5 colors. I'm just basically going to put it all over.
So actually what I'm going to do, here, how about we...
No. Not yet, Sissy. Hang on. Okay?
Okay, since I can't use my iPad.
No, you can't use your iPad because it died. So just blend it really good.
Mom, could you hold this?
Not really.
I'm going to go get my iPad. Real quick. First, let me work this.
Real quick. Right quick.
Okay. I'm going to look at my iPad real quick.
Why?
Because I'm going to pour myself.
Oh.
How many is it? How many is it?
I don't know if there's going to be enough room right here. Okay, so do you see how I just kind of put it all over? Honey, there's not enough room, honey. Can we do it after?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, then that was all Bitten. And then now I'm going to use Peach Smoothie.
So what we're starting with? Yes,
this is my blending brush, my MAC blending brush. I love this one so much. And I am going to blend up here. And just blend it.
Let's go a little bit.
I'm not going all the way up to my brow. I'm just kind of going right on the bone, I guess, above the crease. Like everyone has a different kind of eye shape, so it's up to you. I'm just basically blending it because there's kind of that harsh line, and the Peach Smoothie just kind of gives it a nice...
Since I'm not going to use that, I'm going to wipe it all off.
You don't like what you did?
No, actually, that glitter was so crazy.
It's crazy.
Yeah,
and it kind of tones it down a little bit.
I'm not going to really use that.
Okay.
So actually what I'm going to use...
If you want it to be a little bit bolder on your lid, you can just use your finger. And that way, just shows up a little bit bolder on your lid. Okay, so then the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to take a brush that's kind of like this. It's just really short, and it's not too stiff, but just a little bit stiff. And I'm going to take Bitten, and I'm going to go underneath my eye. So it just looks like it's continuing from the top.
Mommy, guess what I'm going to do?
What are you going to do?
I'm going to take a little bit more of this, put it on each eye, and then mix a little bit of some black in it.
Girls, and that's pretty much it. And like I said, you can have this as bold as you want. But that's pretty much it for the shadow part. And there's like no fallout on my face. Like,
So actually,
that's why I love Makeup Geek. It's amazing. Okay, then the next thing I'm gonna do is my eyeliner. I did this in a tutorial before this one, but I'll go ahead and do it again. So I use Revlon Color Stay in black, and it's my favorite liquid eyeliner of all time.
Okay, this black is crazy. Look how much I got.
Oof, looks pretty good.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't?
I get it all over my eye.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's not good.
That's not good.
What? This is glitter.
Oh my gosh.
Crazy black glitter. Not happening.
Not happening.
No, not happening.
So what color are you gonna do now, Lily?
I don't know. So I'm gonna wipe a little bit of some of this off again. Because I didn't get it all off.
Okay, so there's my wing. And it looks so good with the red.
It looks so good.
Thank
You're
you.
doing way better than I am.
Oh my gosh, Sissy. That's not true.
Yes, you are. You're doing so good. I like your makeup way than mine.
Oh my
Because I'm not doing that good.
You are doing great. Quit
Well,
it. Mama's been doing this for a little bit longer.
yeah.
Takes practice. Oh, there goes the brush.
That's all right. I'll get it. I'm going to get it for my foot. And I'm going to okay, got it. On my foot. Uh-oh, now I need to put some more of this on.
I'm gonna have to clean that brush.
Okay, I might have to clean it up. Whoa, it's so... I can't even see the color. Okay, so now I'm going to start all over again.
Okay.
So
there are my wings. They're not exactly even. It's like this struggle to keep them even.
well, that looks perfect for you, Mommy. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so since I'm done with that,
That looks a little bit more even.
I'm gonna actually since you're not using this mirror,
I am. I'm almost done.
okay, I guess I'm gonna use some of these, like that big one.
Uh-huh.
So I'm not gonna use the small one no more.
Do you want me to grab you the big one?
Yeah, not the double-sided one, because this one's a little bit easier since it's a big brush. It actually fits it up way more.
So girls, these
Oh, that
eyeshadows
looks
from Makeup
perfect.
Geek, you can buy like this,
So
and then you can get
I'm gonna do different ones.
palette.
I did this one on this one, and this one on this one. On this one. So
It's like
so
a blank.
Now I'm gonna put on some of.
It's a blank palette. You can fill it up, or you can just order them individually. And they're literally $6 an eyeshadow, and they are great quality. And the pigments are
Okay.
amazing, out of this world.
Ooh, you look good, Mommy.
Oh, baby, you look beautiful, honey.
Thank you, Mommy. You look beautiful too, Mommy.
Well, thank you. Do you want to use some of my cranberry over here, or cranberry bitten?
Right here.
Okay, cranberry color. Go ahead. But you only need a little bit on your brush, okay?
So since I'm gonna use that, I'm gonna use the small one because I don't want to get too much.
Right?
Since I'm gonna get too much on my brush, so I'm just gonna take a tiny bit on my brush.
Mm-hmm.
See how much I got, but I'm gonna get a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Okay. Since I'm getting the highlight in my...
So as you can see, I have mascara on, but you can't see it. So I'm going to put on my fake eyelashes, my false eyelashes. And my favorite is, you can get them...
Since I got that on, I'm gonna actually put on another makeup. It's called yes.
This is turned into Lily's show. Anyways, my favorite eyelashes, I can't find them at Walmart, but I can find them at Walgreens, and they are Ardell's Wispies, and they are the best, and I love them very much. They literally are my favorite, and I've tried a bunch.
And you don't like them?
I've tried Kiss. I've tried like the Salon Select, I think is what it's called. But the Wispies are my favorite from Ardell. I also get my nails from Walgreens. Walgreens is like my little monthly trip to Walgreens where I get nails and eyelashes. And candy. Let Lily pick out some candy. Don't tell Daddy. It's our little secret. You're gonna go tell on me.
This is not true, guys.
How can you say that?
Just kidding, it is.
I was gonna say we just got watermelon. Oh, strawberry. No, watermelon. We got watermelon Sour Patch Kids. Remember? This silly girl. Anyway. So this is the full look.
Mommy looks beautiful.
Thank you, baby. Okay. Are you ready? Did you put some cranberry?
You'll see the cranberry?
Let me see. Okay, let me turn this camera around so it's facing Lily now because it's Lily's show now. Okay, let me see. I'll put some cranberry on there. Close your eyes. Oh, hold on. Okay, what do you think?
Perfect.
Here, look at it in this light. Is that better? Okay, what do you guys think? Come over here, stand by me. Come here, honey. Come here. All right. What do you think of the cranberry? The cranberry color, is it pretty? I just want to say it's a burgundy color. But I think it's perfect for everything. You can even add some brown at the ends, at the outer edges, and make it a little bit more smoky if you want. You can,
No.
She said no.
Okay, so what else I'm going to use? I'm going to actually use,
That's the one.
Mommy.
Oh, I'm so sorry I took that. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
It's okay.
Okay. Oh, gosh,
So
thank you.
So since I'm going to use a little bit of some of that. So now I'm going to use some of this since you just used some of it. And use all this. Did you use all of that?
Yeah, that's my favorite.
What is it?
One of my favorite Urban Decay colors is called Tease, and I've used it all.
Well, I can use some of it.
I've used it all, and I had to get up my own little thing. It's called Tease. It's the perfect, just everyday, all over.
Can you see it?
All over brown. Anyways, I think we're all done. So.
I'm not done yet.
Oh, okay. We'll finish up.
So what else I'm going to use? I'm going to use the double brush.
You didn't like the double brush.
Well, I'm just going to use one side.
Oh, okay.
So which one's I'm going to use? I guess I'm just going to use
use the fluffy side. Oh, you should use this one because that one's really pretty.
Do you like this one?
Oh, yeah, that one's pretty too, for sure. Okay. Good job.
Now I'm going to use the other side.
Mm-hmm, for sure. You just need a little bit. There you go.
Now I'm going to put it on this side too.
Oh my gosh, you look amazing.
So what else I'm going to use?
I think you're all done. You got your whole eyelid.
I'm not. So what else I need over here?
So we're going to do a separate video for Miss Lilybug to finish up her own tutorial. But that was just a little video for you guys and a little video from Lily too. Okay, let me get it up close so you can see it. 2 colors, girls. 2 colors, that's it.